But I got another one from Dana here. It got here kind of late, but in your opinion, does the new Fiberglass VX hull have any sportiness handling in it, or is it just a cruise ship? Oh, no, absolutely not. Dustin Farthing races the FX. The FX is as much a sporty performance runabout hull as the GP, of course, is lighter, and it's going to be a gooder. It's going to be a gooder. It's going to be a better closed course hull. But for offshore racing, one of the winningest jet ski racers of all time, Dustin Farthing, only rides FX SVHOs. That should speak volumes. I think they're great. Now, Greg Gaddis is going to be like, I hate it. It's boring. But, Greg is 22 years old and is looking through the same box that I did at 22 years old, too. So, anyways, no, absolutely. I think it's a fantastic hull. I speak very highly of it. I just wish that it was gel coat. And a lot of guys go out there and they gator glide it, but what are you attaching the gator glide to? Now, I'll tell you what, if someone thoroughly went in and took all the paint off and applied gator glide, I'd be like, oh, okay. But if you're going to do that, why don't you just do gel coat and call it a day and not scrub any speed? Gel coat smooth, gator glide is textured. And I know, oh no, rah, rah, rah. Okay, fine. Okay, okay. I just don't see racers using gator glide. You show me racers who win who use gator glide as on their hulls, I'll change my opinion. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.